In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your Google site using some easy online tools. This guide is perfect if you're looking to enhance your site's functionality with an interactive chat feature. We'll walk you through each step so you can have your chatbot up and running in no time. First, you'll want to head over to your Google site. This is the foundation for our task today, as we're ultimately integrating the chatbot onto your Google site to make it more engaging for visitors. Keep your Google site open and ready as we navigate through this process. Next up, we'll be using a fantastic tool called elfsite.com. This website offers a wide range of widgets for enhancing your site, and today we're focusing on their AI chatbot feature. Once you're on elfsite.com, simply enter chatbot into the search bar. You'll be presented with many customizable templates specifically for chatbots. Take a moment to browse the options. Pick a template that's appealing and fits your site's aesthetic. Once you've decided on a template, you'll want to click on Continue with this template. This action will guide you towards integrating the chatbot with your Google site. Now here's where the magic starts to happen. You've selected your template and you're ready to make it live on your site. ElfSite will prompt you to paste the URL of your Google site. This step is crucial as it allows ElfSite to analyze your site and prepare the chatbot for seamless integration. After pasting your URL, click on Analyze. This process may take a few moments as the system gathers necessary data and prepares your chatbot for publishing. Once the analysis is complete, you'll want to click Publish. ElfSite will generate a piece of code, which you'll need to copy. Armed with your copied code, it's time to head back to your Google site. Here, you'll be adding the chatbot to your site using the embed feature. First, navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll see prominently in your Google Site editor. From there, click on Embed and select Embed Code. This option allows you to paste the code you retrieve from ElfSite directly into your site. Once the code is pasted, click Insert to place the chatbot onto your page. And there you have it, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully added an interactive AI chatbot to your Google site. This new feature is a fantastic way to improve user engagement, offering visitors a dynamic way to interact with your content. With the chatbot live on your site, users can now ask questions and receive immediate responses. Congratulations on enhancing your Google site with this innovative tool, and enjoy the benefits of connecting with your audience in a whole new way.